Good day, everyone, and Miss Moira. Kinematic laws of motion. We all know that the kinematic was primarily developed by Sir Isaac Newton, an English mathematician, physicist, and astronomers who had made significant contributions to develop the laws of motion. So the terms kinematic and the laws of motion refer to the fundamental concepts of physics that describe how object moves and the forces that propel them. Kinematics is the study of object motion without considering the forces driving it, while the laws of motion describe how an object moves in response to those forces.
Kinematics is the study of how an item moves and changes its position, speed, and acceleration over time, while an object's velocity is at the rate at which it's traveling in a certain direction. Its position in space is its actual location. The speed at which something changes in velocity is called its acceleration. An object's future motion can be predicted by looking at its position, acceleration, and velocity. Sir Isaac Newton developed the laws of motion, which explain the connection between an object motion and the forces acting on it. Unless an external force acts upon an object in motion, it will continue to move at constant speed according to Newton's first law of motion, sometimes referred to as laws of inertia. This indicates that things require a force to alter their tendency to remain in their current state of motion.
Second law of motion. An object acceleration is inversely proportional to its mass and directly related to the net force acting on it. This implies that an item will accelerate faster in response to a given force. The stronger the force exerted on it, and that an object will accelerate less in response to a given force, the more massive it is. This law can be represented mathematically as F equals ma, where m is the mass, and is the acceleration, and F is the force.
According to Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite response. This implies that anytime one object applies force to another, the other item responds by applying a force that is both equal and opposite to the applied force on the first object. Put otherwise, forces are always present in pairs, each of which has a magnitude that is equal to other and a direction that is opposite. This law of motion from basis of classical mechanics, the study of object motion based on physical principles, along with the concepts of kinematics. They have several uses in physics, astronomy, and engineering, and are essential for comprehending how objects move and interact with one another.
In conclusion, the fundamental ideas of physics that explain how object moves and the forces that propel them are known in kinetics and the law of motion. These ideas allow us to comprehend the relationship between an object's motion and the forces acting upon it, as well as forecast how objects will move in the future. These ideas are fundamental the progress of science and technology and have many applications in a variety of sectors.